Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into what is mortgage recasting 2025. If you're a homeowner looking to save on your monthly payments without the hassle of refinancing, this is for you. Let's break it down step by step. First off, mortgage recasting is a process where you pay a large lump sum toward the principal of your mortgage. Once you do that, your lender recalculates your loan based on the reduced balance, which lowers your monthly payments while keeping the same interest rate and loan term. It's like giving your mortgage a fresh start without starting over entirely. Why might you consider this in 2025? With potential economic shifts and rising interest rates, recasting could help you manage your finances more effectively. For example, if you've come into some extra cash from a bonus, inheritance, or selling an asset, you could use that to reduce your principal. Typically, lenders require a minimum lump sum payment, often around $5,000 or more, and they'll charge a small fee, usually a few $100s. The biggest perks? You'll enjoy lower monthly payments, which frees up cash for other goals like vacations or investments. Plus, you might save on interest over the life of the loan. However, it's not for everyone. Not all mortgages qualify. FHA or VA loans usually don't, and you need to have the funds up front. Also, recasting doesn't shorten your loan term, so if you're aiming to pay off your house faster, this might not be the best option. Before you jump in, check with your lender to see if you're eligible and what fees apply. In 2025, with new financial regulations possibly on the horizon, it's a smart move to stay informed. If you're thinking about it, consult a financial advisor to ensure it fits your situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.